Explaining Azalea Private Equity Bonds. This video, brought to you by Azalea Asset Management, is for information and education purposes only. There are many bonds out there, but Azalea Private Equity Bonds are a unique series that bridges private equity to you. Here's why it matters. Private equity, which means investing in non-listed companies, is an attractive asset class and is largely invested through private equity funds. The fund managers seek to improve these businesses and, when the time is ripe, sell them for a profit. In fact, the returns from private equity generally outperform public markets over the long term. For most investors, though, it's hard to invest directly in private equity. You may have to invest in a private equity fund, which is not easily accessible. And it'll take a large initial investment locked up over many years. But this changes with Azalea PE bonds. While corporate bonds depend on their businesses to generate cash flows, Azalea PE bonds are backed by cash flows from a diversified portfolio of private equity funds managed by reputable fund managers. The cash generated is then used to pay bondholders principal and interests. With Azalea PE bonds, you gain exposure to private equity funds and can start investing with a much smaller sum, which is tied up for a much shorter time. Also, you may buy or sell them when you want to, as these bonds are listed on the Singapore Exchange. Azalea PE bonds, uniquely transforming private equity into bonds, opening possibilities in an exciting asset class.